Hi everyone and welcome back to another Meals of the Week video. We started the week with a spaghetti bolognese, so I just fried up some beef mince with some garlic, red onion and red pepper and mushrooms, and then just cooked my spaghetti, added in some passata and let that simmer until it was cooked, and we served it with some grated cheese and some garlic bread. Next day we were having salmon, so I popped 4 salmon fillets in the air fryer, and for the boys I just put some black pepper on the top, and for us I put some Thai seasoning and some soy sauce, and we served them with some new potatoes and some veg. I didn't need to do them for quite as long as I did in the air fryer. They were slightly dry but tasty nonetheless. Next day was Sunday, and as always we had our Sunday roast. So I did a roast chicken, and actually I had a scan at the hospital, so I put it in lower than usual for a bit longer, and then got it out and let it rest for a long time while the potatoes were cooking, and it was really tender and tasty. So I think I will do it like that in the future. And then we just had it as always with our usual broccoli and carrots, Yorkshire puddings and roast potatoes, and I did make some cauliflower cheese again this week, just with a basic white sauce and some grated cheese on the top. And Henry's decided that he really likes cauliflower cheese as well, which is really good. Next day we had a chicken salad, so I got some of these jerk spice chicken thighs from Waitrose, and we had it with some falafels and some hummus, some salad and some flatbreads, and it was a super tasty summery dinner. Next day we had a chicken tikka, so I fried up some diced chicken and added in some red onion and some red pepper, a jar of the tikka paste, and then when that was cooked through I just added in a few generous spoonfuls of Greek yogurt, and we served it with basmati rice and garlic naan. Last dinner of the week was chicken chasseur, so just need some red onion, mushroom and garlic, and just fry that up with your chicken and add in some paprika, tomato puree and chicken stock and cook until thickened. And we served ours with some buttery new potatoes and peas and carrots. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed it and it's given you some ideas for your family. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.